Coffee's getting his off-leash chance at the beach for the first time. Yes. Let's go on. Go on. Good boy. Yeah. Go on. He was doing some zoomies, but I missed that. No, yuck. Oh, man. Glad Drago doesn't do that. Roll in the sand. Yes, I'm glad Drago doesn't do that, because that's going to be yucky in your foot. Good boy, Coffee. Coffee, come. Coffee, come. Good boy, Coffee. Yes. Break. Good boy. What a good boy. Coffee. Good boy. Yes. This is our first time doing this together. Oh, we'll give him some privacy for that. Little panscape of our view here. And our beach that we like to frequent in the morning, usually with Drago. But Drago likes to save a poop for inside the ocean, where I cannot pick it up, but I can pick up Coffee's, so. Because he's a good boy. He's going to have a good time, so. Everybody's celebrating on Drago's birthday, not just Drago. Yeah. So, yeah, this is going well. We'll probably do this every day after Drago's beach time, since it's going so well. And we'll check in another time.